Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the rotate command working inaccurately using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken turning tools on your current setup so your shapes face exactly where you point. Step 1. Open your turning tool and choose your shape. The first step is to start your regular spin tool and pick the object on your screen that you want to turn around. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the bottom of your screen, type the word rotate, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, click once on the shape you want to spin, and press Enter again. Watch the text line at the bottom of your screen to make sure the software confirms that it has successfully found and grabbed your shape. This is the start of everything because the computer needs to know exactly which item you want to turn before you can change the bad movement. You have to select this shape so the software can lock onto it. Without this step, the program will keep waiting and won't let you change any settings. Step 2. Pick your base center point clearly. Next, you need to click on the exact spot that will act as the center pin for your shape to swing around from. Move your mouse cursor over your drawing board canvas, find the corner or the middle spot of your shape where the spin should happen, and click your mouse button once. Watch for the tiny marker to appear on your screen view to confirm that the software is using that exact spot as your center wheel. Because if you click randomly in the empty space, your shape will swing in a giant circle all over your screen. By setting this center pin clearly, you tell the program's engine exactly where to hold the shape down. It ensures your object stays in place while it spins. Step 4. Turn off your polar tracking locks to stop the jumping to fixed numbers. The final step is to check your bottom alignment buttons and turn off the grid locks that are forcing your mouse to jump to fixed numbers like 90 degrees or 45 degrees. Look at the row of small icons at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Locate the circle button with a small angle inside it, or press the F10 key on your keyboard to turn it off. Check that the angle button changes from blue to gray to show that the automatic angle lock is fully asleep. Because when this tracking lock is left on, it fights your hand and pulls your pointer to the nearest fixed number on its invisible map. Once you put this snapping tool to sleep, your shape will slide around beautifully to any exact position you want. Now your turning tool repair setup is fully finished and your workspace runs smoothly. And that's it. To fix rotate command working inaccurately, you must first type rotate and select your shape on the screen canvas. Then you click your center base point to act as your spin wheel. Finally, you press F10 to turn off your tracking locks so your mouse stops jumping to fixed numbers and slides smoothly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.